Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute Instagram notifications for 15 minutes on your PC using the latest update. If you're working, studying, or just need a short break from constant alerts, this feature is perfect. It lets you pause all notifications temporarily without changing your long-term settings. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls for your account, including privacy and notifications. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage exactly how and when Instagram sends you alerts. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where you can control real-time alerts like messages, likes, comments, and more. At the top, you'll see an option called Pause All. Turn this on. As soon as you enable it, Instagram will ask how long you want to pause notifications. Simply select 15 minutes.